To begin customizing the ANY Video Banner #1 section in your Shopify theme, head over to the Edit Code section in your Shopify admin panel. In the search bar, filter the file list and locate the schema labeled ANY Video Banner #1. Once you've confirmed it's there, return to the Customize Theme interface in your theme editor. Now, click on Add section and from the available options, select ANY Video Banner #1. Once added, this section will appear directly on your storefront preview, and in the left-hand settings panel, you'll see all the configurable content blocks linked to this section. You can easily build a more layered experience by clicking Add items to insert more content blocks, ideal for creating a rich, engaging video layout. This section offers high flexibility, letting you craft a standout visual story. You can toggle autoplay to have your video begin automatically when the page loads, perfect for drawing immediate attention. For video input, you have two main options: either upload a Shopify hosted video or embed a YouTube URL for seamless cross-platform playback. To ensure consistent visuals across all devices, you can also add fallback images separately for desktop and mobile views. For aesthetics, you can personalize the overlay color and opacity, allowing you to balance visibility and depth depending on your video's brightness. Additionally, content alignment can be customized both vertically and horizontally, giving you full control over whether your headline, buttons, or callouts are centered, left-aligned, or placed at the bottom of the section. You can enhance storytelling by adding a headline. Use this to deliver a powerful introduction or branding message. Customize the title font size and color separately for desktop and mobile to ensure consistency and impact. Just below, you can include a subtitle to provide supporting context and independently adjust its size and color to fit your design tone. For user interaction, you can add up to 2 call-to-action buttons, ideal for linking to collections, product drops, or promotional pages. Each button can be customized with unique text, URL, font size, corner radius, border thickness, text color, background color, and hover effects. These detailed options help keep your design cohesive with your store's branding. Return to the main ANY Video Banner #1 section settings to unlock more advanced features. If you choose not to enable autoplay, you can upload a custom play button image to replace the default. You can also define image switch intervals for background image transitions and adjust image fit to control how your background scales inside the video container. You also have options to set the overall height of the section and specify a different height for mobile devices, ensuring the video banner remains visually balanced on every screen size. For typography lovers, you can enable custom header fonts and select the font family that matches your site's aesthetic, whether it's sleek and modern or classic and editorial. You may also set a solid background color to visually ground the video section in line with your site's color theme. To polish off your design, you can fine-tune the padding and margins at the top and bottom of the section. This ensures everything feels well-spaced and visually harmonious. There's also the option to set a maximum width for the inner content, maintaining consistent layout alignment within wider screens. And for optimized performance, enable lazy loading so the video banner loads efficiently without slowing down your page speed. In essence, the ANY Video Banner #1 section isn't just a space to play a video, it's a complete storytelling unit. Whether you're announcing a new fashion drop, showcasing a product demo, launching a seasonal campaign, or creating a visual impact with brand messaging, this section equips you with all the tools to create an immersive, responsive, and beautifully branded experience.